Here we have this 18 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights with the black kidney grills in the centre and the front splitter at the bottom with the fog lights. We've also got front and rear parking sensors, which you can see on screen inside also. We've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all unmarked just there, with the blue M Sport caliper design behind. Side skirts at the bottom of the vehicle. We've got the privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with a black trim around the outside. Black door mirrors with the colour-coded door handles and the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. As we make our way around to the rear of the vehicle, you'll be able to see the sporty looking diffuser at the bottom of the bumper, making this vehicle very aggressive. Dual exit exhaust with the parking sensors running across the centre of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with a blue stitching, Isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the ambient lighting on the doors, which looks pretty cool there. We've got the trim here with a door handle and the electric windows. Onto the front, you'll be able to see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather with the blue stitching. And there is a look at those. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable just there. We've got the side mirrors with the electric windows and the child lock at the rear. We've also got the automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on. So my foot is on the brake and we just press start button there. Now this vehicle does have no issues on the dashboard other than the fuel, as you can see at the bottom there. We've also got the speed limiter and cruise control with a paddle shift behind, and we've got the volume button with the paddle shift behind there. Onto the main screen, you can see we've got the satellite navigation. Now it may be flickering, but that's just for the purpose of the video. This doesn't happen in real life. If we go into the menu, you'll be able to see we've got the Bluetooth media and DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity with the nav. If we go onto my vehicle and go onto the vehicle settings, if we go down to lights, you'll be able to change the colour of the ambient lighting in this vehicle. At the moment it is set to purple. Now if we just head back, making our way down, we've got the dual climate control with the air conditioning, heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window there. As we make our way down, you'll be able to see we've got the cup holders with the automatic gearbox, and we've also got the dial with the buttons for the screen just there. We've got the different drive modes here, so if we just press this on screen, comes up all the different drive modes in which you can drive this vehicle. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, so as we put it in reverse there, you can see on screen the sensors there. Popping it back into park, making it safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next